Hey there, fellow investors. If you're a client of Raymond James, you know that getting your monthly statement can feel like decoding a secret message. But don't worry, I'm here to break it down for you step by step. In this video, we'll cover how to read and understand your Raymond James statement so you can stay on top of your finances with confidence. Let's dive in. First off, what exactly is a Raymond James statement? It's a detailed report that summarizes your account activity, including investments, transactions, and fees. Start by looking at the header. You'll see your account number, the statement date, and the period it covers, usually the past month. This gives you the basics right away. Next, head to the account summary section. This is like a snapshot of your portfolio. It shows your current balance, any interest earned, and your total assets and liabilities. Pay close attention here to spot any unexpected changes. For example, if you see a dip in your balance, it might be due to market fluctuations or withdrawals. Now, let's talk about transactions. This part lists all buys, sells, deposits, and withdrawals. Each entry includes the date, description, amount, and sometimes the security involved. Double-check this against your records to ensure everything matches. What you thought you bought or sold is accurately reflected. Don't overlook your investment holdings. This section details what you own, like stocks, bonds, or mutual funds, along with their current values and any gains or losses. It's a great way to track your portfolio's performance over time. Fees and charges come next. These can add up, so review them carefully. Look for management fees, transaction costs, or other deductions. Understanding these helps you manage expenses and make smarter decisions. Finally, if your statement includes tax-related info, like dividend income or capital gains, note it for your records. This is crucial for tax season. There you have it. Reading your Raymond James statement doesn't have to be overwhelming. By following these steps, you'll gain better control over your investments. If you're ever unsure, reach out to your advisor or visit the Raymond James website for more resources. Thanks for watching, and hit that like button if this helped. Stay informed and keep growing your wealth.